Alright, let's add larger street lights too. So I'm looking for something large, something like that. But of course we need high quality. Something like that maybe. Or this one. Yeah, the angles are not so fine, but okay. I will download it. Alright, I drag it. Allow me, before dragging, choose the most top layer. And now drag it into Photoshop. Okay. And we could decide which places we need. I wanna add one light here. It could be behind this building or behind here. Totally depend on you. And I could even remove first one. I think better to remove first light here because it's nonsense anymore. So I delete it and click this layer, bring it here. Yeah, something like that could be fine. Again, let's adjust a bit light and color. Control or Command M, make it darker. Blue color, increase. Red values, decrease. Greens also decrease. Okay, I think we need again decrease red more. That's not bad actually. We could work with that, or just allow me to check with a bit exposure and gamma. Not much, but yeah, that's better. Not so visible, but okay, because we will add light here. Sadly, we have only one angle of this element, so we have to work with that. I clone it, select this, and simply make a mask. Hold on the Alt option key and click on the mask to make inverted mask. Alright. I will add light bloom effects later on, also on ground. And maybe make a bit large for here. Control or Command J to duplicate. Control or Command T and make it smaller, much smaller, because usually these lights much far from together. And again, Control or Command J, Control T, and make it even smaller. I think it should be more front. Okay, maybe something like that. I have to bring these trees in front. Alright, I move it up. Okay, let's see. Control click and hold on the Alt option key and clone. Control or Command T, right click, flip horizontal. Now we could add some lights in this direction. Not bad actually. Control or Command T. Let me to check the height. Alright. Could be one here. Okay. Based on these guides, should be something like that. And again, I could remove this one or just put it behind and make it mask. Press L for polygon lasso, hold on the Alt and create. We have mask, allow me to remove it. Hold on the Alt and I think wrong layer, click here. Okay, bring back your last selection. If you like to bring your last selection back, go to select menu, reselect, or press shift control or shift command D. Okay, and hold on the alt or option key and click on the mask. One more here. Alright, allow me to find the correct angle. It is hard to check. So I could draw simply a line in top. Line tool. From here, if you see, it's going here. So something like maybe that. It is fine. Yep. Okay, just as a guide, it is too thick. That's fine for me. And I want to match the top side with this one. Unlink, Control or Command T, and make it smaller, something like that. Alright. For next one, I think the angle is not so correct. It's still useful, just a bit lower than what you see. Here, we don't need mask actually for now. Oops. I delete the mask and we'll work on that later. Control or Command T. Hold on the Shift key and make it smaller. I think a bit more smaller. We need to be shorter than this line because my line is not so accurate. Okay. Allow me to check distance. Okay. Alter option and maybe one here. As you see, the process almost for everything is repetitive and nothing special. So adding light or other elements are not too different with each other. You have to just find the correct workflow and get skilled with tools. And you could do almost anything. As I mentioned before, I called this package as architectural post-production, but actually it is just photo manipulating or photo compositing, so nothing special here. Control or Command click. Allow me to find this line. Okay, I will remove it. And for these two layers, I could even bring it forward, but just simply in the back side is not bad. Alt click on the mask. Alright. Also for this one, press L, polygonal lasso. Alt click on the mask and done. It is nice to organize all your lights together for future editing, but just because I'm trying to make these videos short, so most of the times I usually skip the renaming or organizing. You better don't skip them. Control click and alt click and drag. Maybe one light here. Right click, flip horizontal, or maybe just one here is fine. Okay. Also, you could find the height about here. For example, 1 level, 2 level, 3 and 4 level almost. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be something around this. I think this 3 almost. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Again, you could use selection of this layer and make mask, or just simply enable brush, hard one, black color, and remove. Very simply. There's nothing noticeable here. It's getting too dark, so it's not so visible. I could change the application. Maybe someplace like that. It is fine. All right.